Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Dodge Dart key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and efficient. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your key fob. Let's get started and give your key fob new life. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot on the side of the fob's casing. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing during this step. The halves should come apart with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.